Hi, this is Danny Coates, and since Node Knockout's coming up pretty soon, I'd like to give you a quick demo of Node Inspector, which is a graphical debugger for Node. Um, it's hosted on GitHub. You can go check it out there. But let's get started with the demo. So to start the inspector, I'm going to run it with Node. I'm in the Node chat directory. Node chat's the sample application you might be familiar with. And we're going to pass it the start break parameter and also forward IO and profile. And we'll see what those do in a minute. So let's get that running. When I pass it the start break function or parameter, we're going to end up with two processes. The one we're debugging is going to be a child process of the inspector process. So if I quit the profiler, it also will close down the Node Chat app. So let's pull up the debugger. Alright, so since I did start break instead of start, I'm going to get a breakpoint on the very first line. It's useful for debugging short-lived apps. But let me walk you through the interface real quick. So we have three panels here. We have scripts, profiles, which isn't active in the main branch yet. I'm still working on that, and console, which is the standard JavaScript console, and it'll run whatever you type in there in Node's V8. Okay, so this is your file browser, if you will. Here I have the Node server, and then some Node files that are running right now. Here's our controls to continue or pause the script, step over, step into, step out, and to deactivate all the breakpoints. Then we have watch expressions, which we'll add here in a little bit. Our call stack, we can step to any level of the call stack that we're on right now. Then we have our scoped variables. Here's our local scope ones, and then we have globals down here. And then our list of breakpoints. And we can deactivate or activate them. And if you click on one, it'll jump to it. So like if we're down here and we want to go back to this one, we can just click that and get back to where we were. So let's just step through this. I'm not really that familiar with the Node Chat app, so I want to step through to see what's going on. One of the nice things is you can do a mouse over on some things, and it'll give you a pop-up of what that value is. So it looks like we're setting some intervals, we're hooking up some routes. That join function looks interesting. Let's stick a breakpoint there. Okay. Alright. Let's just continue. And here we can pull up, this is the mini console view, which is just the inline version of the main console. And you'll see here that we got standard out, printout, which will show the same thing as we have on the command line. So let's go ahead and open a couple Node chat windows. And here's the Node chat. Let's see. Just have me join. And we should have hit this breakpoint in here. Alright, cool. So you'll see we can say, okay, what was Nick? Nick is me. We can expand out variables over here, and then we get the closure scope, which is kind of our module scope in this case. Then maybe if we want to see what simple JSON does, but we don't want to step in, you can mouse over it and it'll give you the source code, which is kind of cool. We can step in. Let's step into create session. Now we can do some stuff here. Let's step out. Alright, so maybe we want to add a watch in here. Oops. Let's keep sessions. We want session or sessions? Let's look at sessions. So watches will just update every time you hit a new breakpoint or step into the code. So let's play through that. We'll see me join. Okay. And then let's add. One of the other cool things you can do is we can live edit this code. So we have this sysputs in here. Let's do something similar. So I just double click, and then I can say something like console log. Let's see. Hello. Nick. Alright, so I just modified the running code. So next time we hit this join function, it should print out to the standard out hello, whatever the nickname is. So let's have you join. Come back here, and let's look at sessions again. Alright, so we got hello you, which is what we expected. And our session, we have another session in here. So you can also use the console to execute stuff, and this will run in Node. Hello from inspector. Right, so we got it here on the forwarded standard out, and we also got it in the regular standard out. Let me show you one more thing. Even though this doesn't really work in the current main branch, I think it's kind of cool, so I'll go ahead and show you a heap snapshot. I have heap snapshot working in kind of a hacked way right now. Hopefully for node knockout I'll have it ready in good condition in the main branch. So we can take a heap snapshot at any time and we get nice totals on total number of objects and code and the size of everything. And then so let's do a little bit more. Say IU and we can take another snapshot, and it'll give us a comparison of what happened between this snapshot and the previous one. So we can see that we got a few more strings, we got a few more objects in there. So that might be useful for tracking down. If your count keeps going up on certain things, you might have some kind of a memory leak. But that's really the quick tour. If you're interested, go check out Node Inspector on GitHub. It's dannycode/node-inspector. If you find any problems, feel free to add an issue, and I'll look at that as soon as I get a chance. And if you need more information, check out the wiki. That's kind of the current source where I put everything that might be helpful. And thanks for watching.